Alright, hello Delhi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Nation. I am going to unbox today LG's latest launch, which is LG Wings. And this is what LG, come closer, I request my cameraman to come close. So this is Wings. uh, I have not opened the box. This looks very niche. uh, if I put it here, you will get a better view of the box. Okay, let's quickly do what is there inside the box, and I am going to do a detailed review in a close location, because here we are finding a lot of noise, but I can show you the glimpse of the phone. This is how the phone looks like. This is LG latest long Wings. This is technically speaking is made for people who do YouTubing and vlogging. I will quickly take this phone off. I will put this here. I'm putting it here, and here is the phone, the first look. I will take the screen off, the cover off. Here goes the cover. I put it inside my pocket, and this is what the first look is. This is how it turns and become like a wing. I have not booted it up because it is very bright here. I will do a close indoor shooting of this and will take you through the specification. So keep watching my YouTube channel Tech Nation. Bye bye.